गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रेमेडीज अवेलेबल टू बायर अगेंस्ट द सेलर। इन दिस लेक्चर we will see that what are the remedies that the buyer has against the seller. Now here the situation is reverse. Earlier we were doing the situation where the buyer has not paid the price to the seller. So in that case, what remedies were available to seller against the buyer? Now the situation is such that the seller has not given the goods to the buyer, wherein buyer has paid the price for the goods. That means here the situation is reverse. Now buyer is the aggrieved party here. So let's discuss what rights buyer has against the seller. So the first remedy is damages for non-delivery. Here goods are not delivered by the seller, so whatever the losses buyer has incurred because of non-delivery of the goods, he can recover the same from the seller. Losses may be because if he would have got the delivery of the goods at time, he would have resold them, or now he may not get the goods price for, or prices are fallen. There can be a case where prices are fallen, possibly the quality of goods are deteriorated. So whatever the losses that buyer has suffered because of any reason, he can recover the same from the seller. The second remedy which is available to buyer against the seller is suit for breach of warranty. It is quite possible that the seller has delivered the goods and in return buyer has paid the price for the same, but there is breach of warranty. Now we have already discussed about the warranty. So we have seen that there are many warranty which are implied. So there may be some express warranties, or there may be some implied warranties also. So there was some warranty which seller has breached. He has not fulfilled his warranty. In that case, buyer has the remedy that he can bring suit against the seller. Now the third remedy which is available to buyer against the seller is suit for specific performance, which means where buyer can go to the court and ask the court that he is not happy or satisfied with the damages or compensation which he has received. So what he wants the goods back. So in such situation, the court will order specific performance to the seller, where the seller will be required to specifically perform what he had promised. If he had promised to give the goods, then he will have to give the goods to the buyer. So these were the remedies which were available to buyer against the seller in case where defaulting party is seller. So in today's lecture we have discussed about the remedies available to buyer that are damages for non-delivery, remedy for breach of warranty, and suit for specific performance. So that's all for today. Thank you.